then it's quite handy to have for holidays. You get 2 dresses in one kind of thing, and tops and pants.
Stink
and what
all
have you.
week, can't keep changing them. You know, like you do your undies, keep turning them round.
Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'm Lou.
And I'm Shaz.
And we are over 50 Shades of Twins. Yes, today we've got our Halara dungarees on.
Because we can't take them off. We don't sleep in them. We don't, because they smell next day when you put them on. We love them.
Yeah, we love them, absolutely love them. So we thought we'd put these on for this video.
But we've got, Louise says I'm going to be really surprised about this, she does.
I don't think she's going to be quite surprised. So I happened upon a website called You Know Who's. Don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but it is worth a look. Definitely worth a look. The reason why I chose to get these items in here is because each one of them is reversible. So we've got reversible pants, reversible dress and reversible tops. And I thought, that's all I've got. There's loads of other stuff that they do, but I wanted to specifically look at these reversible ones because I thought if they're really nice as they look in the pictures, and I'll put them up, then it's quite handy to have for holidays. You get 2 dresses in one kind of thing, and tops and pants.
Stink all week, can't keep changing them. You know, like you do your undies, keep turning them round.
So we're going to get these out, my lovelies, and have a little look, see what we've got going on. So I've got large and extra large in them. So we've got, that's large. They're much easier to try, obviously.
Right.
And that's large. I've just got 2 things, to try on. So I've got a dress and a top. And you've got, so we'll do the dresses first. We'll go with dresses, that's that one. Yeah. So I'll just get these out and have a gander, shall we? Right, okay. Talking now, they won't like because it's reversible, so they're so they are they're definitely summer dresses. They're the same style of dress are these, so they're like A-line dresses.
And I like this.
Oh, it is pretty that actually, isn't it? Now, I think that they're not quite as vibrant as they were on the picture when they were selling them. I will say that because this looks quite dull. I'm not saying that you can get browns and creams vibrant, but I thought I'd choose this one because the colours are in, so I thought I'd give this one a go. And like I say, they are reversible. So this is what's on this side of my sister's. Turn it the other way around, sis. And
Oh, no, just put it on.
Are you going to take it off and then come back and put it on the other way around?
Yeah.
You don't want to show them it?
Yeah.
You don't want to show them it? Right, okay.
Yeah,
Just show it.
Right.
I'm
a surprise.
So there's no sleeves, they just hang, it's just like a polyester material, I guess. Is there a bit of stretch in it? Don't think there is there, sis? No stretch in it, and it's about just past your knees, I would have said, depending on what your height is. So we're going to go get these on, and we'll see what we think of them. So back in a tick, my lovelies.
See straight through them.
Can you?
Too lazy to see straight through. However, the label's reversible, isn't it?
Yeah, it's reversible label, yeah.
I've never seen that before.
Well, you want just reversible dresses, isn't it? So they're not going to show the label, are they?
Yeah, no, but I thought they just didn't have labels in them. I've got a coat that's reversible and it just didn't have a label.
I get you.
Yeah. I like him, sis.
Do you?
Yeah.
Right, my lovelies, we're back. So, Miss Sis, it is quite see-through, you said, haven't you, Sis? So you can see. Why have you got a t-shirt under? Because it's see-through.
Because you don't get the bingo wings out for everybody.
Right, okay.
And it's see-through.
I don't. It might just be that particular one. Yeah. Might be more see-through than this one then. This, and I don't think this is, I got a t-shirt underneath, just my bra on. And I don't think it's that see-through. Don't think it hangs quite right at the back. But
I'm going to go turn it round and see if it's a see-through the way. It must be if it's see-through.
It must be, yeah. So anyway, that's that way around. It's just below my sister's knees, and it's just touching the tops of my knees, I guess. Now it's hanging a bit funny because I've got the bum going on. There is a little bit of it's hanging a little bit funny at the back there for me. Don't like it. Ain't my bag. Might be your bag, and I think because they're reversible, it's quite handy, isn't it? Really lightweight. You know when you think you're going on holiday.
And you know what I said about being smelly? Is that lightweight? Wash them in the sink, hang them over the balcony.
Yeah, they'll be dry next morning, yeah. I can get 2 dresses for one, so that's that way around for my sis. Obviously she's got the t-shirt on underneath. These were £7 each.
£7, 2 looks.
Yeah, £3.50 a look, do you know what I mean? You can't go wrong.
Wow.
It's really good actually, isn't it?
Well,
That's why I thought I've got to try them, because I do think, this is the extra large, like I said, my sister's got the large on. But yeah, we'll show you the other way around of these. They do have some other styles as well, but obviously I needed to get the ones that were our size, and I didn't have every style in our size, so I chose these ones. So yeah, we'll get them turned round the other way and come back to you, my lovelies.
I like that.
Just done that right on my bum. Because my bum's sticking out. Right, my lovelies, we've got them the other way around now. So,
That's nowhere near as see-through, is it? It's the other way around.
How's that work?
I don't know.
So,
I'm confused, but it's nowhere near as see-through.
oh, is it? How's that work?
I do not know. Answers in the post. Packet follows for the
so
right
that's
answer.
the other way around. So I do think, you know, for just on a summer's evening and when you're out on holiday, so lightweight, really cheap, and you've got 2 looks, haven't you? I do think it's a bit of a bargain. If you like these kind of dresses
In
and
fact,
what
I
have
bet your knickers take up more room in your suitcase than these. And you can definitely wear these turning them inside out. Knickers don't change them every day.
They have some, in fact I've got a top here, so they have the dress that's like this top that I'll show you as well. Just didn't have it in our sizes. But yeah, I just think they're, I'm not too keen, don't get me wrong, I love animal print. As a general rule, I would go for animal print, but I'm not that over keen on these colours really. Yeah, it does look nice, this actually.
I don't like dresses, but I like this one.
So that's it, this way around, yeah. They're not keepers for me, don't know whether they would be for my sis, but we'll see. See what we think when we look at the footage back.
I'm thinking, yeah, I like to look at myself on there.
Yeah, and it's a bit hard to tell when you've got your t-shirt underneath, to be honest.
Because I did some time ago, I bought this lovely skirt and a lovely top and thought, having them, got to have them, overspent my budget, but had to have them. Got home, did a nice little video, had a look.
She looked like them.
I didn't look like I was feeling, you know what I mean?
Yeah, sometimes you don't, do you? So yeah, so that's these. So the next up then, we'll do the top. They're trousers. So that's the top to go with the trousers. You can put the top and the trousers on. Wait until you see them. Let me get them out. That's the top. So this is a top. So like I said, they have these dresses in this style as well. In this, when I say this style, they're the same style. It sort of crosses over at the bottom, does the top. If you can see at the bottom. And so you see the reverse side of it on the underneath.
That's called asymmetrical.
Asymmetric, yeah. Symmetrical, yeah. And so there's one of my sisters there. And I just think they're quite colourful and nice again. For, you know, they didn't have the dress in my size in this one. So I couldn't try the dress on. But they do have it on the website, and it is the UK based as well, so they didn't take long to come or anything. So yeah, I'll get this top tried on, and my sister's going to try the top and these trousers, so I'll let you get them out, sis. She'll probably love them, to be honest, these trousers, because as soon as I saw them I thought they're up my sister's street then.
Trousers?
Yeah, they are.
They're like banging. Oh, swish to your heart's content in these, get some tunes on. Get some tunes on, let's have a swish. You know what I'm saying?
So we'll get them on. So yeah, so let me just show them. Do you mind holding just top of that so I can show the leg a little bit more, sis, if you don't mind. So yeah, they're very, very, very wide leg, and they go on an angle, so they hang on. You'll probably see it more on, won't you, to be
What,
fair.
I'll just take my trainers off to get them on.
No, you won't.
I'm saying.
Right, okay, so I'll try this top on and you get those on, sis.
Put the match other way down.
Yeah, do the matching up, because you can mismatch them, can't you, afterwards, but do the matching up kind of thing.
Mismatch them, how many looks you get in there, work that out. If you get 2 looks out of trousers and 2 looks out of that and then you swap them round, is that 4 looks? No, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Anyway,
8 looks.
We'll try them on, my lovelies.
8 looks, please.
8 looks, and we'll come back to my lovelies.
Yeah. I'm not doing all of them if I've got a little bit of life and a biscuit waiting.
And I think these were £7 each as well. So the top and the bottoms. Yeah, I think they were. The dresses might have been 8 actually, and all the rest of them 7. But yeah, we'll get them tried on and come back to my lovelies back in a tick. The top feels a little bit tighter on my chest, this one.
So,
have I got it on wrong way around, I reckon? I don't think I have that, have I? It's just have it hands on my bum, isn't it?
you get the dress, these, twice, and you get on it.
Yeah.
You could go on holiday with hand luggage.
Yeah. They don't look like the trainers. You need shoes on, sis.
You don't need shoes to show them, do I? Do I need shoes to show people?
No.
Because I've only got Mary Jane's.
Can't you just go barefooted then? Because they look silly with them trainers on.
No, all I can't see is the looks of them. I can't see them. Don't they look bangy? Oh, you get with the motion, sis. Take them off if you want them off. Take them off.
And your socks?
I'm not taking my socks off as well. I forgot to take my socks off.
Well, you might as well put your trainers on if you're not taking your socks off. Because just do uses. Put them back on. Just do
No.
them.
Take your fucking socks off then. Better?
Yeah, that's better. They look lovely without your t-shirt on as well. I don't know what's up with you, but anyway.
I don't want to. I shaved my pits for the month. That's why it's not coming out. I don't like this.
Right, my lovelies, we're back. So my sister's got the trousers on. As you can see, it actually looks like a skirt. And there is the angle at either side. But yeah, they're very flowy. I do think it's lovely. I'm quite surprised actually. It's very up my sister's street. Obviously not with the t-shirt underneath, but she didn't want to take the t-shirt off.
No,
She did have
Carry on.
She did have the trainers on with them, and I thought, please take your trainers off. And then she had her socks on, and I said, please take your socks off. She said, no, I'm not taking my socks off.
Then she said, take that bleeding miserable face off, turn that round upside down.
Oh dear, because it would look nice with some really nice shoes, you know, flat sandals or something like that. And then that's the other way around, and obviously that's the turning it the other way, so you've got the design there, and then it's showing it at the bottom. Just go back a little touch, sis. Yeah, either side at the bottom, you can see that. You're not showing it to its potential, are you?
Yeah. Could you cry before you put this on? I couldn't, now I can.
So yeah, so there we go. So I think the pants were either £7 or £8. They weren't much more than that, and like they say with the top as well. And the pants are reversible, so the pants could match the top with just a little bit of the sort of flowery pattern hanging out. So yeah, what do you think, sis, for the price of them?
Yeah.
You can't go wrong, can you, really? Not crying.
Right, buy a couple of outfits like this.
Yeah.
Bag them in your hand luggage. Happy days, isn't it? No pissing about at carousel. 7 different looks. Underneath a bit of parcel. You get that when you get there. Banging.
And I've got this top on. Like I said, they do have the dresses in this, and the trousers actually. They do all the match of all the tops, the dresses, and the trousers as well. So yeah, I've got this one on, but I don't have the trousers to go with it. But not hanging quite right on me, just because of my bum, I think. But it is quite nice, and I do think you're getting the 2 looks, and it's really cool. The material's really cool in as well. So yeah, Not bad really. I'll do it the other way around actually. I haven't turned it the other way around this one, so I'll do that for you, my lovelies, and come back to you.
Different way round.
Yeah.
Is that, that's where you showed it in the first place, wasn't it?
Oh, is it? Oh, it is, yeah. I've not done it wrong. I've not done it. I need to turn it round. I need to turn it round. Stop. Stop.
I thought you had it other way a minute ago.
Oh, dear, I've not done it round.
I'm confused. Don't go.
So you've turned the trousers the other way now, haven't you? With the trousers that you had the other way around. Right, my lovelies, we're back. So I've turned this the other way around. As you can see, that pattern is on this side and the other one is showing there. So that's this one. Give you a bit of a twirl with that. And then my sister's turned the trousers the other way around, you see now. So yeah, actually, they don't hang in the V, they hang as normal straight leg trousers that way. So they're all the one design. Do you know what I mean? I'll just it a little bit at the bottom, doesn't it? If it were higher, if they were higher up, it would do a little.
Yeah,
do on the inside a little bit, yeah. Yeah.
That the boot-on shoes showing the underneath.
Yeah, showing it a little bit into it. But yeah, I think they're quite handy, aren't they, for summertime, this time of year, going out on holiday or whatever. We're not going on holiday this time, but I just wanted to show you them because I just thought, my goodness, what are these going to be like? And at the price as well.
Brilliant.
So yeah, what I might do as well, let me know if you'd like me to. I'm thinking of ordering some other stuff now that aren't reversibles and what have you from this website. I just wanted to specifically base this one on the reversible ones. So, but yes, my lovelies, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've heard of this store. You know who's.
Yeah, who's.
You know who's. You've got
Not who's there.
You know who. Yeah, really reasonable price stuff in there. And they don't take long to come, so let me know what you think. Yeah, please give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to our channel. We'd really appreciate that.
And please, is there anybody out there that agrees with me? It's okay to wear a t-shirt underneath stuff if that's what I'm feeling like.
If that's what you want to do.
I think I just look banging out tiny because I'm banging. My word of the month.
Banging.
July or June?
June.
We're in June.
Still in June.
Well, I haven't got long to go.
No.
I might save that word for next month because it only means I've got a few days left with it and I think it's great. Banging.
But yes, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching. If you do want to support our channel, we do have Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description if you'd be interested in doing that. Please go take a look. And thank you ever so much for watching, my lovelies. Thank you to all our wonderful subs that we've got, all those new ones that we're getting, there's past ones that have followed us right from the beginning. Really do appreciate you. Please take care, my lovelies, and like we always say, if you can't be good,
Be careful.
Bye.
Rise up, sisters.